Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So of course, today we're going to do the magic of trend lines in our tradings. Actually, this guys is really so profitable way in trading. For a big example here is my signal for the pound JPY. So actually, initially I have sent last Saturday a signal to buy the pound JPY right from this level, exactly right here at this level of a previous support. Well, of course, that has miserably failed, and as you can see, the pound JPY has went in big loss. However, the reversal has exactly occurred right here at the same level of that support trend line, as you can see right here. So if I would have sent the signal to be the buy right here exactly, that would have actually been a much better idea. And that actually has proven to me that this strategy is way better than using the horizontal support and resistance. And by the way, guys, losses actually are part of this business, and I believe that every single loss is a big lesson for us. So for example, this loss right here, I still remember it every day, and it's like a lesson to me that next time don't rely only on the horizontal support but also combine it with the magic of trend lines. It is your strategy, it is what you have thought about, and it is what you are sharing on your channel. So that's my lesson to myself every day, and for that reason I started actually this week trading with the trend lines only, and I'm actually making mega profits. I mean, within just 2 days only we have made almost $700 of profit. So let me show you how I did that, by simply of course moving to the 30-minute time frame and look for the exact same setup. For example, right here of course we're having now this pattern on the pound JPY. So what I can do right now, if I want to find the next setup, which is actually not gonna be valid right now, is by looking at this level of a resistance trend line and just simply connect the level of a resistance trend line just like that. Next, simply drag the very same line that you have brought here and place it right here on this level of a support trend line. So simply doing that right here, we're having here a perfect entry. Now all I need to do is analyzing the market of course, and looking at that right here we had of course a resistance trend line which has become here a support trend line number 1, support trend line number 2. After the bearish breakout, we are having here 2 candles representing of course these resistance trend line number 1 and right here number 2, and now the bullish breakout happens. So my best opportunity is waiting for the market to fall again and respect the same level of that support trend line, and there I'm going to place my buy order, and my take profit level will be right here at the nearest level of a previous support. It's really a simple and very profitable strategy. I have been using it all day long and it's so profitable, and I highly guys recommend it, and that's the reason I'm actually showing it to you right here on this live trading video. So I'm trying to find the setup right now. Maybe we have here something. First of all, let me just now zoom in right like this and connect this level of support trend line to this level of support trend line. Please don't ask me questions, guys. I have already explained everything in the videos on my channel called The Magic of Trend Lines, the new versions which I have just uploaded last week. And as we can see right now, exactly, that's a good entry. Check this out. So right here, I actually have connected that level of support trend line from this higher low to this lower low, and then just simply drag the very same line right here and placed it right here on the next level of support trend line. So as you can see, the same level has already become a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, and right here we are having the bullish breakout candles. So now waiting for the market to fall again to reach the same level of that support trend line. That's gonna be a perfect entry. So we have to wait for the market. Pound CAD 1.1 lot size is actually a big amount. I want to change it to 0.75, 80, 0.80. And let's just wait for the pound CAD to fall to another like 5 pips before we can start buying it. Of course, we have to combine this with other elements such as the horizontal support, and as we can see right here, this was of course a previous level of a key support. Exactly. So right here we're having a support number 1. It was in the past also a support, a strong level of a key support, so that cannot be simply ignored in my opinion. So therefore, let's just wait for the market to fall, reach this level, then place our buy order. Take profit level will most likely be right here at the nearest level of a key resistance to our entry, and the stop loss can actually be equivalent to the take profit level. So my risk to reward ratio is simply 50 to 50, as simple as that. All right, so now let's wait for the pound CAD to fall again for about 6 pips, I think. Yeah, 6 pips, and then I will place the buy order and I'll be back to you. Alright, I found another good setup, guys. USDCAD is gonna be good to be bought right now. I actually have already analyzed it before resume recording. Let me do it again. So right here, of course, we're having key support trend line. If I connect this level of a key support trend line to this level of a key support trend line, we will end up, of course, with this level of support trend line. Now, all I need to do is simply move the same line and place it right there, exactly right here at the next level of support trend line, as you can see right here. So we had here a resistance trend line, which has already become here a support trend line number 1, and right here I'm going to place my trade exactly right on the second attempt. And again, pay attention, my entry was perfect here because I'm using, of course, IC Markets, which is, in my opinion, the best forex broker in the world for scalpers like us. Anyway, let me just tell you guys something. Now, since I have opened my trade exactly right here on this level of a new support trend line, my take profit level will be exactly right here at the nearest level of support trend line. That, of course, because we are only trading the impact of these levels. I mean, I'm not saying that the USDCAD right now is going to continue the rise. I'm not saying that the market is going to change its direction. All I'm saying is that based on the 30-minute time frame, we will most likely right here witness an impulse, or actually a pullback, to happen right here. So that most likely is going to continue the rise, retesting the broken level of that support, and then it will continue the fall, maybe. However, what matters to me is to get out with the with those pips actually with a decent profit. That's all what matters to me. I don't care how the market moves later. It might continue the rise, it might continue the fall. I don't give a damn as long as I'm going to make some decent profits from this pullback right here. And for that reason, I had to place my stop loss to be exactly equivalent to the take profit level. So therefore, our take profit level will be approximately $93, and the stop loss is going to be also $90 as well. So let's now wait and see how the market is going to react to that level, and then I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade. And as you can see, my friends, very good profits of $71. Let me just now close the trade and get out with these profits. $62 of profit. We have closed this trade. I'm so happy with that. As you can see, guys, that is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the strategy of the trend lines. It can really provide you with a perfect and very good entries. So the account right now is 2,761. Let's try to reach it to 2,800. Let me check the pound CAD again. Pound CAD is reversing before even reaching our entry, so we have to abandon the setup. Anyway, let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I find the next trade. Alright, so now another good setup has been found on the pound CAD right now. This time for the sell instead of buying. So now what we can do right here, guys, is simply draw here a resistance trend line from this lower high to this higher high, sorry. Now, next, simply drag the very same line that you have drawn here and place it all the way right here at this level. Look at the mouse cursor, exactly at this level of a resistance trend line. So now we are expecting this level of a resistance trend line to be respected after this fake breakout has appeared. So therefore, right now is the best level to start selling. But since we're talking about the pound CAD, I want to reduce the lot size to be at 0.80. Now place sell order and just hope for the best. Exactly. So right now our stop loss will be just a little bit above this level of a resistance, equivalent to $86. However, the take profit level is going to be bigger because it will be right here at the nearest level of support to our entry. So therefore, our take profit level is going to be 16 pips, equivalent to $97. It's a very powerful strategy, very profitable and easy, and really just really simple and easy. I mean, it's so profitable and I love it. Alright, so let's now see what will gonna happen and just hope for the best. Let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, so finally now the account is above $2,800. That was my initial target, and the trade, as you can see, is running in profit so far of 11 pips. That's what I'm talking about. That is the power of my strategy with the trend lines. Let's now close this trade with $54 of profit. Fantastic, we closed it, and now the account is above 2,800. So I believe, guys, it's really simple and very powerful strategy. I actually could make more trades, but I mean, it really took me a while to find this one. And now the market actually, guys, is not really at its best. Finding the next setup is gonna take forever. I mean, for example, pound GPY, if I want to wait this setup, I have to wait really long time until the pair fall to another 40 pips. NZDJPY, if I want to reach the perfect setup, draw the resistance trend line like that, then clone it. Wait a minute, it wasn't this one. I think it was, which pair was it? NZDCHF? No, it was NZD something, NZDUSD. Yeah, this one. NZDUSD, actually, if we want to trade this setup, for example, we have to wait very long time for the pair to fall to another 52 pips. I mean, I want to make more trades, but the market right now is not really at its best, and it's gonna take a while to find the setups. There is another pair, I'm sure. This one. This one, oh my god, it has already fallen. Let me check. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about, this setup. Unfortunately, it's gonna be useless to share it with you right now because the reversal has already occurred. It's all right. I think it's even from here. Yeah, just like that. Fantastic. Unfortunately, it has already reversed. That was actually, guys, a setup that I was waiting to show you, but it was far away from the entry. Oh my god, we have missed this one. Oh my god, that was really a good deal. We have missed it. Oh my god. Alright, so I think that settles it. There is absolutely nothing in the horizon. It's gonna take a while to find the next setup, and the video right now is already 12 minutes. I think that's gonna be enough. I will share with you guys actually right now daily live trading videos for this week. So until then, my friends, I will see you on the next Friday analysis video. So I hope you guys have got an idea how to trade with the trend lines. Trust me, guys, give it a try, especially with IC markets. In my opinion, is going to be the best Forex trading experience that you can ever get to get these amazing results. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.